ago. English fluency is not talent. Some people are think she is fluent in English because she has talent. But I want to tell you one truth. English fluency is not talent. English fluency is a system. I give you 3 tips how I'm improving in my fluency English. Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. So today I want to tell you how I am improving in my fluency English and how you can also improve with your English. And it is important you have to speak daily. Do some practice. I don't know why people think English is difficult. If we are thinking English is a language like we are learn our language, so it is very simple. Otherwise we always get struggle while learning English. How we are learning our language like Hindi language, we learn from the sentences. Our parents speak any sentences, we copy them and learn by them. How they have face reaction, how they are speaking a word, we just copy them. So we also have to just speak English while talking with anybody. So I want to give you some tips how we can improve our English day by day. So this is system we not learn in one day. We have to do daily practice for learn any language. We think this is simple language, we learn it. Otherwise we can't learn this language. This is very simple language like our Hindi language. I know I am not good at English, but I am improving day by day because I learn English day by day. And it is important if you are want to learn English. So I want to give you 3 tips. So first one, you have to describe everything that is around you, like a pen, like a pencil, a book, a light, or my phone, like my phone. So you have to describe everything. And second one is you have to speak English. I'm not telling you you have to speak in whole day. You have to just speak 10 to 20 minutes every day English. You speak with your phone, you speak with your chat GPT, you speak with your one of friend, whoever. You have to speak English. Otherwise, you can't learn this language. How much we practice it depends on us. How we want to improve. How time we want to improve in any language. It is all depend on you. How you are improving in your language. You do not wait somebody talk with you, then you will be talk. You just start talk. If another person is speaking in Hindi language, you can speak English language, and it is your responsibility how you are speaking and how you are improving. So if you want speak language, you have to do daily practice. And English fluency is not a talent. English fluency is a system. We have to practice every day if we want to speak English, if we want to learn English. Bye. Thank you.